Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Canva Creators, and in this video we're talking about Canva Docs. We're on our homepage and we're going to go to the Docs section. So you can start with a clean new doc, or you can choose from one of the many templates. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to create a blank doc. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a header. So to do this, we're going to do that, and then we're going to click on Design. So now this opens up a new design tab within Canva, and we're going to create a header specifically for this document. So I'm going to go with this one, and I am going to change the photo to this. Specifically, I just want his eyes to be in the photo. Change this color to match, and we're going to click save. And when we click save, this design is now in our Canva doc. So now I'm going to create a header, and I am going to call this Canva. And we're going to create a subheader. Now you can adjust the fonts and the colors the same way you would do in a regular Canva design by just highlighting the text and changing the font, changing the color. So I'm going to make this brown, and then I'm just going to make this one a bit smaller. Now I'm going to show you how to embed a video within this doc. So we're going to click on embed, and then I'm just going to go here to get my video URL and paste it here, hit enter, and our video is now embedded in our Canva doc. Now we can also do some body text. So this is just a test. So that's enough body test. So you can either click on the plus sign or you can just hit the slash, whichever. So you can also create a checklist. One, check two. Okay, now let's say you want to have a column with two checklists. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and we're going to select table, and we're going to choose, let's do 3 columns, 1 row. And then within this, we're going to add a checklist. You can add numbered bullet, a subtext, or let's say I just want to add a graphic. I'm just going to quickly search black girl, and I'm going to use one of these graphics, and then we're just going to have it to the side on that column. Now, when you add images by itself, so let's see, let's search for mountain. This mountain, and the images when added to Canva Docs are automatically centered. So you cannot align it to the right and you cannot align it to the left, so they're centered. Another really neat feature of Canva Docs is the magic, right? So let's say I am stuck on an idea for a blog post. So I'm going to click magic right, and then I'm going to type in branding for small businesses, and then I'm going to hit enter. Then it populates all of this content for you just based on what I typed in, branding for small businesses. So now obviously you won't use all of this information, and obviously you won't use them word for word. So you'll take bits of it and expand on it within your blog post. But this is a great way to start if you're stuck on ideas when writing blog posts or just content for your social media pages in general. Now, if you're stuck on what type of content to post, then you can do a magic search, something like this. Magic writes, and we're going to do 5. Make sure you add the actual number when you're doing this. So it'll be 5 Instagram. Okay, let's do 5 graphic designer tips and tricks. And it populates the 5 for me. Just click on this. And these are the 5 ideas to get organized and create a workflow that works for you. This will help you stay on track and be efficient with your projects. From this, you can then go ahead and share tip graphics in which you can then share on your Instagram. You can share these on your stories, or you can share these directly on your feed. You can decide to do it as one carousel where you share all 5 at the same time, or you can do one and span it over a period of weeks, or you can actually do one and expand on this one into a carousel, and then you have 5 different carousel posts because you'll expand on each of them. So you can start with get organized and create a workflow that works for you. So you can start with that, and then you can share your own workflow within that carousel post. So these are 2 great features that I love about Canva Docs. It's technically one magic, right? But I love that it can give you a paragraph worth of content or numbered content. It's just perfect. So there's so much you can do within Canva Docs. For me personally, it doesn't allow me total flexibility in terms of there is a margin set on this page, so you cannot drag your images to the very end of the page because there's a set margin. Photos, for example, you can only center them. You cannot align them to the left. You cannot align them to the right. There is a workaround to it by creating a design and using your elements and aligning it to the left in that design and then bringing it into your Canva doc. That is a workaround. And the one thing I dislike the most about Canva Docs in general is that I cannot see when my page ends. So Canva Docs does not let you know when your page has ended and a new page has started. It's just a continuous flow of documents. Some people might like it, some people might not. For me personally, I like to see where page 1 ends and where page 2 starts. And there you have it, a quick overview of Canva Docs. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email, or you can send me a DM over on Instagram at HelloNextBrand. Until next time.